Class 10 biology. Today we will start with the structure of a heart, that is the external and internal structure, and also the different blood vessels that is coming from the heart and towards the heart. So let's start with the two type of structures of heart, that is one is internal, another is external structure, and also the blood vessels. So let's start with the structure of heart.
So we will start with the main component of human circulatory system. That human circulatory system consists of cardiovascular and lymphatic system. Both are closely related. Main component of cardiovascular system is the heart, blood vessel, blood, and main component of lymphatic system is lymphatic vessel, lymphatic node, lymph node, and lymph. So now move on to the main function of heart. If we see that main function of heart is to pump blood to different parts of the body. Through blood vessel, it generates a force by successive contraction and relaxation of its muscle, causing blood to circulate through blood vessel. Now, where is heart situated in the body? That what is the approximate size? Heart is situated upper thoracic cavity of the body. It lies between the lungs above the diaphragm. Its apex is tilted towards the left. Its approximate size is about 12 cm in length and 8 to 9 cm in wide, more or less size of a fist, our hand fist. So now move on to the another that is the general structure of human heart. If we see that first starts with the heart is a muscular organ. It has a broad base at top and narrow apex at bottom. It is mostly hollow. It is covered by a tough outer membrane called pericardium that protect the heart. Pericardium is divided into two layers. Space between the layer is pericardial cavity is filled with the pericardial fluid. So pericardial fluid act as lubricant. It prevents friction between the pericardial layer during contraction or relaxation of the heart. So wall of heart is divided into three layers. One is epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Periodic contraction and relaxation of cardiac muscle enable the heart to pump blood. Heart is internally divided into four chambers: upper atria, lower ventricles. A group of contractile cells in upper region of heart generate impulse that triggers periodic contraction of the heart. They form sinoatrial node or SA node, which is called a pacemaker, that triggers and regulate the contraction and relaxation of the heart. Now move on to the another structure, that is the internal structure of heart. The heart is divided internally into four chambers, that is right and left atria or atrium or auricle also. They form the upper chamber. They are smaller in size and are separated by a muscular wall called the interatrial septum or interauricular septum. Walls are thinner and less muscular. They receive blood from different body parts. SA node is located in upper corner of right atrium. Right and left ventricle now that is they are situated below atrial chamber. They are bigger in size and are separated by muscular wall called the interventricular septum. Walls are thicker and more muscular. This enables their contracting muscle to generate force that is high enough to pump blood to most distant body part. They pump blood to various body parts. Atria and ventricles are separated by a groove called coronary sulcus. Now move on to the another topic, that is the different names and functions of blood vessel associated with the heart. So blood vessel, if we see that blood vessel that enter the right atrium, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from upper parts, that is head, neck, arms, chest back to heart. Inferior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from lower part, that is diaphragm, abdominal region, intestine, spleen, liver, kidneys, and also pelvis and legs back to heart. Blood vessel that enter left atrium is pulmonary vein that carries oxygenated blood from lungs back to heart, and blood vessel that leaves from right ventricle is pulmonary artery that carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. Major blood vessel that leaves from left ventricle is dorsal or systemic aorta. It carries oxygenated blood from heart to all body part except lungs. So today up to that. Next day we will start with the valves. So up to that.